In this tutorial, we'll use MobaXterm to transfer files from our Windows machine to one of our clusters and back. I start MobaXterm and click Sessions, and then select SFTP. I enter the remote host name, in this case the one for Colonial 1, and my NetID. I enter my password and select OK. And notice the remote file system is now mounted and I can browse through it. I can upload and download files. For example, I'll upload the installer file to a directory called source on the remote host. And now that file is on the remote host. I can download that file if I wish. Here I'll save it to my desktop. And when I'm done, I can delete that file on the remote host if I wish. In this tutorial, we learned how to use MobaXterm to transfer files back and forth between our Windows machine and one of the clusters.